Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Walmart funds after identity verification, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the withdrawal process from your Walmart funds, ensure that you're logged into your Walmart account. Navigate to the Walmart Money Center section on the website or app. Locate the Withdraw Funds option, which is usually found under the Money Services section. Click on Withdraw Funds to initiate the process. Next, you will be prompted to go through identity verification. Prepare the necessary identification documents, such as a government-issued ID and social security number. Follow the on-screen instructions to submit your identification for verification. Once your identity is verified, return to the Withdraw Funds section. Choose the withdrawal method that suits you best, whether it's direct deposit or cash pickup. If you opt for direct deposit, input your bank account details as required. For cash pickup, select a nearby Walmart location where you would like to receive your funds. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review all your provided information for accuracy before proceeding. Click on the Confirm Withdrawal button to finalize your request. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal has been processed. For direct deposits, check your bank account to ensure the funds arrive within the estimated timeframe. If you chose cash pickup, head to the selected Walmart location with your ID and confirmation receipt. Present your documents to complete the withdrawal process at the store. Finally, safely store all transaction information for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.